we were changing this oil pan gasket. It's leaking along this side over here. So he wants to keep his oil. So we're going to use a 13 millimeter to we'll save all the oil for him. And I see why, it looks brand new. We will take a look up here. These are all 10 millimeter bolts all the way around. Shouldn't have to remove anything. Looks like a pretty straightforward job. While that's draining, I'm gonna get started. This back one by, oh, I just dropped it. Oh, there it is. Back one up here is a stud, so it's just got a nut. I'm gonna go grab a 3-inch extension. Oh, I can't see anything. You guys probably see better than I can. I'm gonna move over here. on this back corner, that's another stud right there. It should just be one more. Should, but like I said, I can't see. Two more. So there's three across the... It's the joys of not having a lift. Quick feel. Alright, don't feel anything. Get the tools up and out of the way. Could use a rubber mallet to knock this loose. I don't have one. Wow. Whew. Finally broke some of the bond. I know it took me long enough, right? There we go. Remember, there's still going to be oil in the bottom of this pan, so drain what you can. Here's what the bottom. Here's the bottom looks like. It doesn't look like they used a gasket. It kind of looks like some like RTV or something like that. Which means it's gonna take a while to clean up. So we get this all peeled away, get a nice smooth surface, and then get back with you. All right, it's been some time. A lot of scraping. Make sure it's a nice clean surface. I thought for sure this thing would stop dripping, but whew, it has not. The new gasket fits great, so that's on there. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. I'll line up the two studs. Wish there was more, but we will make do with just the two. This one right here is definitely a tight one to get to, I'll tell you that. I got it though. Oh, I need one more screw. You'd think I'd have one by now, but I just ordered a magnetic automotive tray so that I could stop searching everywhere for these things. Now, as you can tell, I wasn't fully tightening down this. I just wanted to get them all snug so that we can grab the torque wrench and start alternating back and forth so we can get a nice good seal and not strip out anything. So I'll go ahead and get that done, get the oil plug drain bolt tightened up and put some oil in it. Now we got the oil put back in it. It is started. Now we go check for leaks. Got a nice good seal now. That's all residue for the old one. Okay. Alright, so that's it for that job. Looks good. So that's the oil pan gasket on this Dodge Journey.